In the basic course, we learned about data types like numbers, strings, characters, and booleans. However, in real-world applications, these types are often combined together to create more complex types. The complexity of these types varies depending on the specific application. For instance, if we want to represent a player, we need to store their name as a string and their age or jersey number as int types. In C#, we can create these complex custom types using classes. Hello everyone, welcome to the first lecture of the intermediate course. In this lecture, we'll cover one of the most important concepts in C#, which is class. In all real-world C# applications, we need to define different custom types. For example, let's say we're gonna create an application that stores information about a football league. Okay, let's imagine that after reviewing the application requirements, we have concluded that we need to collect and store information about teams, players, referees, and matches. In a C# application, for each of these entities, we can create a class. Okay, but how? In C#, we define a class using an access modifier, for example, public, followed by the class keyword, and the name of the class. After that, curly braces. Okay, as you can see, we have given each class a name that clearly represents what they are and aligns with the naming conventions in C# for classes, which is Pascal case. Each class can contain multiple members such as fields, properties, methods, and so on. In the case of storing player information, we can utilize fields. These fields can hold data such as the player's name, age, jersey number, and its captain. Alright, in the end, let's dive into the C# data types diagram to show you where the user-defined types are located. As we said, in C#, all instances created by a class are considered reference types. As you can see, the reference type section houses various data types, including classes. All custom class types, which are also known as the user-defined class types, or fall under the class category. Okay, done. See you soon, guys.